video, we have to communicate to you that how we will do the breathing sessions. When someone used to attend some breathing exercises, at times people don't listen to what instructions they are getting. We feel that those instructions are of utmost importance. So whenever you are into our session of breathing, forgetting all previous knowledge and understanding, listen to the instructions carefully and do the same. Because the preparation is more important than the time of practice. If the right preparation is done, then with the least amount of practice, you can get maximum. For example, whenever we take up some breathing exercises, you just have to sit comfortably, the way you feel comfortable. And then, after feeling whole body and the rhythm of breath, should have focus on the movement of the lungs. It is rising upward with inhalation and it is going downward with exhalation. After feeling this movement 2-3 times, your preparation is done. And then when you take up the breathing practice, even out of 10 cycles, you will get great benefit. If this initial preparation is missing, then if you do 100 times the same 100 cycles of that same breathing exercise, then the effect will be equivalent to the 10 cycle with the preparation. So this is the difference in how we conduct these breathing exercises. Hope we are reaching out to you very well that how we are going to build